Hi everyone and welcome to the Blue Algorithm programming course on how to build a creative and responsive website using HTML5, CSS3, jQuery and Bootstrap. So basically these are the fundamentals tools you need to learn on becoming a great software engineer or even a great web developer. So my name is Akita Emmanuel. I'm a full stack software developer uh, with 5 years of experience in design, right? In software engineering. So uh, this course is built to quickly cover the modern aspect of web development, right? And we will learn to build a modern and responsive website using technologies like HTML5, CSS3, jQuery, and Bootstrap, and with a special focus on the best practices of modern development. So to begin, we'll first walk through the course outline. So first, we're going to set up the development environment. So we're going to get uh, our text editor installed together with the browser, which will test whatever code we are writing. Right? So then followed by creating a wireframe. So the wireframe basically show the structure of the website, uh, where content should appear. Like example, you can see the nav bars here to the left top side of the website. We have the text, and this is the home section of the website. So basically this is the essential part of web design, and here we're going to define the website architecture, its functionalities, right, and all the content of the website before we fully build it. So this will be our reference or a guide as we build the website. So going forward, we're going to build the basic structure of the website, right. We're going to have HTML build from the scratch. So we have HTML built from the scratch. We have the basic structure of HTML. Uh, we're going to have the CSS also built from the scratch. So all this we'll learn, and later we're going to use all the knowledge for the basics technologies to build a very creative and responsive website. Then going forward, we're going to learn the basics of CSS3 and also the basics of JavaScript and jQuery as we proceed. And later on, we're going to look at a Bootstrap framework. So we'll look at a Bootstrap framework. I'll show you how to make your website responsive on small, medium, and from large, medium, small, and extra small screen. And here we're going to focus on the Bootstrap grid system, right? We'll see how to apply the jQuery classes and how to make our website responsive, and we're going to focus also on the grid system, how to apply the grid system values, making a couple of our website components also a bit responsive. Then going forward, I'll show you how to choose the right font and the right color scheme for your website. So we're going to select and apply the best font for our website. So basically, any good font should be visible to the eye and be readable, and that's what will be our focus, right? So we're going to select the right font uh, for our website. So we said we're going to set the right font style and the font size for the website we will select, right? So we set the right font size and the right font style for the website which we are going to design in the course of learning. And going forward, uh, we're going to look at the best font awesome icons, and how to apply the font to our website, and how to be able to style each of the icons that we may use, right? So these are samples of fonts, right? You can see a couple of samples down here. So a couple of samples, and each of the font has its name. So this is going to be easily applied, right? So going forward, we learned how to apply the right font for a website. Like apparently, you know that every color has a psychology behind it. Like the color yellow or golden here talks more about entertainment, right? Here the color pink here talks more about ladies, right? Blue talks about technology and so forth. So you should learn how to choose the right color based on whatever design or whatever the subject of your design is, right? And next, we'll then build this creative and responsive website as our final project. So we're going to build a very good preloader for our website, and so this is going to be the bridge website for this as a project. So we're going to have the home section with some text as the header, and we're going to have an about section with some vertical heading and some paragraph and a picture. We're going to have the second part of the about section with some cool power effect, some cool power CSS effect, and we're going to build a very great and responsive theme section with the vertical header and some theme slider to the right. And we're going to use the power of the CSS to build this progress bar, and we're going to create the services section with some cool power effect, some cool CSS3 power effect applied to it. So we're going to add some jQuery plugin to create this second services section or second services part, right, which display different content as we move from one tab to another with the help of some CSS3 and jQuery. We're going to build this portfolio, this amazing portfolio and or work section, right, with the help of the filter effect. Okay, and going down, we're going to have this cool client section or customer section, testimony, where we have the slider here that display the testimonials of customers. And we're going to have this responsive and wonderful pricing section with some cool power effect of the CSS3, and we are going to add a counter up jQuery plugin for our statistics section, and we have the client section here built with some cool slider effect, and we have block below it, and here we are going to have the form, contact form, and the contact address to the left with a vertical heading, and we're going to also apply or add the Google map to our website. So this is what we're going to achieve in building this website as our final project, right? And at the end we're going to apply the navigators, right, which also apply on or changes as you scroll. So if you look at the navs as you scroll to each section, it now changes, indicate that indicate which section we are actually on, right? And also we're going to make our website at the end very responsive to appear on every screen. So you can see that our website is going to be responsive and with a cool mobile menu. So if I change the screen to a laptop, right, it's going to still display well, right? If you change the screen to an iPad, the website should still display well, right? So this is what we will achieve as we build the website as our project in the course of our learning. So next we are going to add some responsive layout for our website. So we're going to make our website very responsive, and then we're going to optimize our website so that it can appear well on various screen and improve the speed. And at the end we're going to have some cross-browser testing, so we'll test our website on various browsers, some browsers like Google Chrome, Safari, and Mozilla Firefox, right? And at the end we're going to learn how to go live in the course of our learning. So feel free and enjoy the ride with me as we dive to learn about CSS3, HTML5, jQuery, and Bootstrap framework. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.